Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting our focus to a legendary name in the dual sport world, the new 2026 Yamaha XT600. Known for its rugged simplicity, off-road strength, and go-anywhere attitude, the XT600 has long been a favorite among adventure riders who value reliability over flash. For 2026, Yamaha brings this icon back with modern refinements while preserving the soul that made it famous. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the XT600 is more compelling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 blends classic dual sport styling with subtle modern updates. Its tall stance, slim bodywork, and high-mounted front fender stay true to its off-road heritage. Updated LED lighting, refreshed graphics, and new color options give it a contemporary edge without losing its rugged character. The redesigned seat and refined ergonomics improve comfort while maintaining the bike's trail-ready look. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 XT600 is a refined single-cylinder engine tuned for strong low-end torque and dependable performance across varied terrain. Paired with a smooth shifting transmission, it delivers confident power for highway cruising and technical off-road riding alike. Improvements in engine efficiency and reduced vibrations enhance long-distance comfort, while the upgraded suspension setup provides better control on rough trails and uneven roads. Safety and technology. While the XT600 remains focused on durability and simplicity, it now includes essential modern technology. ABS enhances braking confidence on paved surfaces, and a compact digital instrument cluster provides clear ride information at a glance. Improved lighting and updated electronics make the bike safer and more practical for everyday use without compromising its rugged nature. Conclusion. The new 2026 Yamaha XT600 stands as a perfect blend of classic dual sport DNA and modern engineering, built for riders who want reliability, versatility, and true adventure capability. It's ready for city streets, open highways, and remote trails. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.